Namaste. Let's begin the video. First stock was SBI and the buying level was at 443 rupees. SBI 443, 444.85 is the opening bell, which means that this particular stock gapped up in today's session. Talking about second stock, it was rather Z and selling level was at 315 rupees. Let me see Z, nothing happened here. Opened at 303. Today was an indifferent day here. 303 opened and I asked you to sell at 315. Let me see. Was there some kind of huge gap up 315? Where was 315? Somewhere here. SL hit. It was a terrible analysis on my part. As you can see, price kept on going up. Third stock was Finolex Cables and buying level was at 495 rupees. So Finolex, where is it? 495. It seems that nothing happened in Finolex. 495 to 497. Let me go to daily chart. Where is that level? 495. Here. 497. So 497, which means one target hit. And the last stock was Havells India. Buying level was at 1420 rupees. Havells, from looks of it, the price receded 1420 rupees. 1421 is the high. So unfortunately, we again had to bear a loss. So today was a terrible day. I am trying to identify the mistakes which I am committing so that in future I won't repeat them again. Talking about the first stock for tomorrow's session, I am going to analyze Laurus Labs on 5 minutes chart, and this is a breakout level above 602 rupees. As you can see, price is making a higher lows pattern. This was a constant low for a fair bit of time, and after that, as you can see, price is elevating. The support is getting elevated and slowly price is going up because buyers are accumulating at higher levels as well. If this accumulation gathers steam, we can expect buyers to fill the gap, and the gap begins from 609. So there is decent profit here. I won't say it's a colossal profit that we are expecting, but sometime after filling the gap as well, price tends to go up. So the next level which I am looking at here is 615 rupees. So these two levels are and should be our target. Apollo Tyres is our second stock for tomorrow's session, and the breakout level is firmly placed at 233 rupees. Why I am saying this? So this was an up rally and which caught fire and ended it at 232 rupees, and thereafter we can see a small retracement, and this retracement has established the fact that the support is elevated from 226 rupees to 230. That's a huge leap, and once again price is making a higher lows pattern. So essentially this was a W pattern, first part of W, second, third, fourth. So we might see one more W pattern, or price might break out with a V pattern here. It's time to analyze Cigniti, which is our third stock. On daily chart, this is a perfect breakout level, and the breakout level is coming above 576 rupees. As you can see, there are multiple candles across and on the level of 545, which means that the buying is coming from this level only. So after the formation of long wick candles on the bottom end, in today's session we saw buyers coming with decent amount of quantity and breaking away from this particular rut that price was in since last 4 days. So now it has presented a buyers who are already in the stock as well as buyers who are waiting from the sideline a very good opportunity to buy at 576 and above, and I expect stock price to go at least at 585. So that is approximately 8 to 9 rupees of profit in a single day. Last but certainly not least, stock for tomorrow's session is ICICI Bank, and the breakout level is coming above 734 rupees. So on daily chart we can draw a bullish pattern called W pattern. This is the first part of W. Let me select a thicker drawing tool. Second part, third part and fourth part. Out of all the rally towards a breakout level, this was the first time the breakout level got tested. As you can see, there is no green candle near a breakout level. This is a red candle, and in current rally we can only see blue candles with decent range. At the same time volume activity is also rising, and the sequence of bullish candle is in pattern called higher highs, higher lows. So we have one more reason to trade this particular breakout. If price does break out above 735, we can expect at least 15 rupees of growth from the closing price of today's session. These are the levels that we should be trading in tomorrow's session for all the aforementioned stocks. I am going to share all the levels in my Telegram channel. One thing which I always reiterate, and that is all of us have to pledge to ourselves we are only going to put 1 or 2% of our total trading capital as a stop loss, so that we can simultaneously learn and earn, and that is going to make us evolve in the world of stock market. So that's it in this particular video. We are going to meet in next video. Till then, all of you please take care of yourself.